this Shonrry 2.0 Easttop harmonica. Let's have a look. This is called unboxing, isn't it? The key of C. There's the box made by Easttop. That's how the look of it is. Let's grab it out and take a look. Oh, I like the back. That back is very nice. Isn't that great? It's really open. Now that's what you call an open back. That is a back that is open. I like that. And this comb is very smooth, rounded off, rounded at the edges. So first impressions, very impressive. It's got these struts already in there, so you're not going to squash it. It's called a Shonrry. I don't know what that means. Let's have a listen to the chords. Oh, it's big. Response is great. I'm liking this already. Okay, very nice response. Okay, I like that. Let's have a look at the octaves. Perfect. Yep. I reckon that's perfect tuning. That's not. That's pretty shocking. Let's see, one of those is wrong. I don't know which one. Let me try the 4 and 7. Four and 7 are good. 1 and 4 are not good, so that means it's probably hole 1 that's a bit out. C harmonica. Let me try against an old trusted. So my guess is that one draw is a wee bit flat, which could be tweaked easily. Let's have a look at the bending. Nice. Hole 3. It's got a kind of a looseness to it, which I quite like. Yes, loose, it's loud, very easy to play, I think. All the bends are great. 7, 8, good. Nice, 10. That's okay. My technique's not great at the top end. Let's see if it'll do any overblows. Yeah, 1's okay. 4 is not bad actually. A little bit of a tweak, but that's okay. Needs a bit more of a tweak. Overdraws I don't use, but I'll try them. 7. Oh, nearly. So this is much better engineered. Yeah, I really like the response. You can just dig in with that one. You get your teeth right into that one. That's nice. I'd definitely recommend having a go at one of those. That's the Easttop Shonrry. Very, very nice harmonica. I like that a lot.